Two boy. No, he's too interested in something. Anyways, for those of you who are new to following La Casa Jackson, or if you are not new to following La Casa Jackson and you have followed us since our beginning, we launched our YouTube channel October of 2018. We were going pretty strong, and then we kind of hit a lull. And so a lot of people have requested that we come back around and do some more videos, and why aren't you doing videos anymore? So after thinking and talking and discussing about doing it, we decided to come back, and we're so excited. So my husband just corrected me. It wasn't October of 18. It was October of 2017. Right, babe? Yeah. So anyway, October of 2017. So it's been over a year since we started our channel. Anyway, we're super excited to be launching our channel once again. We are starting a new series called The Joy of Cooking, and we are basing this series after The Joy of Cooking cookbook. So we're not sponsored by The Joy of Cooking, although if they end up seeing this and want to sponsor us, that'd be really cool. But no, we're not sponsored by anybody. We're just kind of doing this for fun, just because we love cooking and we love entertaining, and that's just us. But we're starting this Joy of Cooking cookbook series because I am more of an impromptu, we're going to make dinner tonight, might as well just film it and put it on YouTube type person. My husband is more so, let's plan it out. Let's sit down, let's brainstorm, let's create a recipe, blah, blah, blah. I'm not like that. It's very difficult for me to follow recipes because I'm more of a creative cook. He is more of a recipe follower. He's more of a, he watches YouTube videos to get inspiration, sees what they use, and then looks up a recipe and tries to emulate those types of things. So we figured if we use an actual cookbook that exists, one that's pretty popular. Yes, bud. Hold on. My dog wants me to play. One moment. Just kidding. He went to dad instead, and now he's prancing around like a horse. Anyway, so we decided to do this series. So the month of January is all about appetizers. So if you've never seen the Joy of Cooking cookbook, it's all spread out apart. There's like appetizers, there's cocktails, there's chicken dishes, there's game dishes, there's potato dishes. It's like all a crap ton of stuff. So we are starting with appetizers. Our first video comes out tomorrow. We're so excited. And it's going to be really fun. It's going to be fun-loving, creative. We're like, just people, like normal people. So we're going to be our normal selves making these dishes, but we're super excited about it. Another really cool thing about this series, because the book is called Joy of Cooking, we're going to be highlighting joyful moments throughout our week. So we're going to be posting our videos every Sunday at 1:00. And in our video, we're going to have some sort of reflection of what happened that past week that we can be joyful about. Just to spread some positivity into the world. And there's always something to be joyful about. There's always something to be happy about throughout your day, throughout your life, throughout your week. No matter what disasters may have happened, there's always something you can find joy in. So anyway, follow us. If you don't follow us already on Instagram, follow us. La Casa Jackson is our channel. I am under Sophia Lorraine _ I also have a channel where I've been blogging and vlogging my weight loss journey. That's called Beauty Untamed. I'll link everything probably in the next screenshot thing. And then Drew is Ajax89 on Instagram. So follow us on the medias. But of course, subscribe to our channel, La Casa Jackson, on YouTube, because that's where we're going to be posting our videos. So we're super excited. What is one thing that you are most excited about for our new YouTube series?
Sauces. I want to learn how to make a bunch of sauces.
Really? Sauces?
I'm serious.
Okay. Why sauces is your favorite thing?
Because you gotta stay saucy.
You're stupid.
No, but like sauces it's a very important part of recipes that often goes unnoticed. I don't know a lot of sauce recipes, do you?
No. I don't really think, like, you buy sauces at the store.
Exactly.
Okay. Sauces, people.
Sauces.